Hello YouTube, this is Vaughn2480. I'm sorry I have been missing. I have not done any videos, well, a whole lot of videos in last year. I did a few last year, but I think I kind of got a little discouraged. I like YouTube. I like creating content for the ones that watch it, but I'm not sure what you all like. So I was just creating stuff that I like, and my channel is not very big. I wanted to grow and prosper more, and I really want to get more subscribers. So for the ones that have subscribed since I've been missing, please let me know why you subscribe and what you're looking for, what kind of content. I want to bring to y'all what you want to see, because I enjoy doing my hair, I enjoy doing nails and makeup. I do enjoy nail stamping. I haven't really been doing a whole lot of nail stamping like I used to. So I'm trying to get back into the swing of making more videos for you all. And so I bought some makeup. So I said, well, this would be the perfect time, since I haven't done a lot of videos in 2018. This would be the perfect time now to start uploading more videos. So I want to say to all my new subscribers, hello. I thank you for subscribing, and all my old subscribers, thank you for being loyal and staying subscribed even though I've been missing for a while. So let's get to this video. I bought some makeup products that I just want to share with you all. And if you all are curious what this is, if you like it, not sure, this is the Bun and Bang combo, and I bought it at my local beauty supply store. But this company, you can look it up online and you can find the same Bun and Bang. And the Bang has 3 clips, as you can see right here, and the Bun has 2 combs. So if you would like to see, I mean, it's real simple, but if you would like a video on it, just thumbs up the video and I'll just show you what I do to get this on my head. But it's very simple. It's quick. If you want to just use this as a protective style, it's really quick. But anyway, getting to the video. And I just want to share it with you all. Wet n Wild came out with some multi-sticks, and I want to try them. So I ordered them from wetnwild.com. Not sure if your local beauty, not local beauty supply, I'm not sure if your local Walgreens or CVS may have them, or your Walmart may have them. I haven't found them at either store yet. So that's a Wet n Wild multi-stick, and this is the color, the name of the color, Champagne Room, if it'll focus. And with these sticks, you can use them on your lips, I think your cheeks and your eyes. So that's why they call it a multi-stick. So you can use it on your lips, your cheeks, and your eyes. But I mostly bought them to use on my eyes. That's how the color looks. And I also purchased this one, and it's called Royal Scam. And this is the next one, Blue Lala. And this one is Born to Flirt. They do rotate up and down. Let's see, at the bottom you can roll them up. That's a good thing. And next I bought this NYX palette off Tropic. And I had to order this. I went to my Ulta. I live in Georgia. So I had to go. I went to my Ulta looking for this because I saw it online, I think on Instagram. And I just had to have this palette. Let's see if I can get some swatches of this. And if you all would like to see me do some makeup tutorials, I can. I'm not I mean, I do my makeup, but I'm not a professional makeup artist or anything like that. And they don't have a name on the colors. And I hope the light is not washing it out. But if you all would like to see a makeup tutorial, I can do one on these. Just thumbs up this video if you would like to see a makeup tutorial. And this one, I saw somebody talk about it on YouTube. And I just went in Ulta and I bought this from my local Ulta. These are some pretty colors. I especially like this blue. They do have names. And I'm going to try to do some swatches on this side of my hand so you all can see. So that's those colors. So like I said, if you would like to see me do a makeup tutorial, I will. Like I said, I'm not like some of these people on YouTube, these makeup gurus. I do my makeup a certain way, and I do my makeup. I would start with my brows, and I would prime my lids and stuff, or put some concealer on my lids, and then I prime my face. So I do my eyes, I do like foundation on my face, and I may put a little concealer, but when it comes to blush and contour, I'm just a simple person. I want to learn more, but right now that's what I do, and I could show you all. I have some old tutorials that I've done on makeup, but I'm thinking about starting that back up. But mostly I like neutral colors, so I'm trying to think out the box and get more bold colors. But learning how to put the eyeshadow together with the lips, sometimes I don't know what lippy is the best, so I need to invest also in some more lipstick. So if you all have some ideas, just let me know. And I also like the Naked palette. They have the Naked Reload out, and I really would like to get that if I can. So if I can, I'll do another makeup haul on that. But that's all. I just want to share with you all some things that I bought over the last couple of weeks. Now these Wet n Wild sticks, they have many more. I may include all the other colors right over here to let you know. But you can go on wetandwild.com. You can look at Walgreens, CVS, Rite Aid, or Walmart. They may have them, or any of your pharmacy stores, drug stores. And you can possibly find these. So I thank you all for watching, and like I said, if you would like to see me do makeup tutorials with these eyeshadow palettes, just thumbs up this video, and I'll try my best to do it. And I'm gonna try my best to start uploading more videos. If y'all also would put down below in the comment section what day of the week you would like me to start getting videos out, so I can be more consistent. Like if you would like to see videos on Tuesdays or Fridays or Saturdays, just let me know so I can start working on that and maybe get a schedule going. But I thank you all for watching. Take care and Happy New Year, since you all are just seeing me for the first time for 2019. And I thank you all for watching. Take care and have a wonderful, blessed day.